You're right. Hey? What you doing? You're chewing. I got you some leaves, hey, from the trees outside. Hey? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They love sitting in their little tree, just watching the world go by. Chewing, chewing, chewing. Hi, baby. Hi, darling. What you doing? Hey? What you doing? Are you going to go to your foraging match now, are you? You happy to chew? You love it there, hey? You can strip off the bark. Now there's trouble. Now we've got trouble. Got the two boys way up at the top. Snookie is just happy, just stripping the bark. Whoopsie daisies. Yeah, that's what they do. They love playing in their tree. Every now and then I put some fresh gum leaves for them to chew. And they just enjoy it. You're going to go onto your foraging tray now, are you, Snookie? All right, you have fun.